Here's how you convert 350 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. To do it, we need a conversion factor. And our conversion factor is that 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we're going to multiply our 350 millimeters of mercury by our conversion factor. So since we have millimeters of mercury here, we want to cancel that out. We're going to put 760 millimeters of mercury in the denominator, and then we want to end up with atmospheres, so the 1 atmosphere, we're going to put that in the numerator. So that's our conversion factor. And when we multiply millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom, that cancels out, left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. So 350 divided by 760, that equals 0.4605. So let's call it 0.461. The units are going to be atmospheres. That's all that's left up there. And that's how we know that we did this correctly, because our units worked out. So that's it. That's how you convert 350 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.